Hello children, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see exercise 11.2 class 9 constructions. So here first question is construct triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 75 degree and AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So now we will start constructing first the base. Here they have given the sum of two sides and the sum of two sides is given 13 centimeter. So you can just start below the page, do not start in between or here, so that you need to draw the arc of 13 centimeter. So first you can draw a base line which measures 7.5. So draw a base line of 7.5 centimeter. Next you need to construct 75 degree. So for that first we will construct 90 degree. So you have to construct 90 degree. -60 degree arc, 120 degree arc. Now it is 90 degree arc. Can draw a straight line now. So this is 90 degree. Now here you can see this is 60 degree and this part it's going to be 60 plus 30, totally you will get 90 degree. So now we need to bisect this. So you can take any radius, keep the needle point here and draw the arc. Then here, so now you are going to draw the bisector. So here is the point where both the lines arcs are intersecting. So just draw it. And now using compass you are going to take 13 centimeter measurement. So here those who do not have itself, I am getting the arc here 13 centimeter arc. So you need to draw line till here and name this as D, name it as D, and this is BC. So now you have to join this, join CD. After you join CD, now you are going to draw the perpendicular bisector. So to draw the perpendicular bisector, take more than half of CD, draw an arc above and below this CD. The same way you are going to draw an arc above and below CD. So now you can draw the line, perpendicular bisector line, and you can see this perpendicular bisector cuts this BD at a point. So this is A. So now you have to join AC, join AC. So this is the required point. Okay. So ABC is the required triangle here. So now we will see justification, how to write the justification I will show you. So here when you see perpendicular bisector is drawn. So now we will measure what is the measurement. Here it is 8 and AD also it is 8.1, 8.1 I am getting. Okay. So now we will see what is the measure of AB. So measure of AB will be it is 4 point something, you are getting 4.8, yeah, you are getting 4.7 or something here. And then now we will see what is the measure of AC. So here you are getting okay. So now this BD, entire length BD, here BD will be equal to AB plus AC. So AC when we measured we got 8.2 and these two are equal now, okay. AC is equal to 80. So here you got 8.2 and AB you got 4.8. So when you add you will get 13 centimeter. So that means it is correct, okay. So you will get here correct 13 centimeter, okay. So now you can write the steps of construction. First step, draw a baseline BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Second step, with B as center, construct 75-degree and you have to draw an arc of 13 centimeter and you have to name it as D. Next step, you have to join CD and draw the perpendicular bisector of it. Fourth point, so the perpendicular bisector will meet BD at a point and that you have to name it as A. Last step, you have to join AC. So ABC is the required triangle, okay children. So this is how you have to do the construction, write the justification and then write the steps of construction, okay children. Meet you in the next video with the next construction. Until then, take care and bye children.